Good morning student. Today we start molecular mass, formula mass and molar mass of compound. So last lecture we already studied the average atomic mass and Dalton atomic theory. So last lecture we calculate one atomic mass unit value which is equal to 1.66056 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. So today we check the mass of hydrogen atom in AMU. AMU means atomic mass unit. Means formula given as mass of hydrogen atom upon 1 AMU value. So mass of hydrogen atom using mass spectrometer, mass of hydrogen 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram upon 1 AMU value 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram. So mass of hydrogen atom in atomic mass unit value on calculating we get 1.0078 atomic mass unit. So mass of hydrogen atom in AMU we get 1.0078 atomic mass unit value, and last lecture we also studied atomic mass. So atomic mass which is equal to mass of one atom of element upon 1 AMU. Last lecture we already studied atomic mass means mass of one substance, means number of proton plus neutron present in nucleus which is known as atomic mass. So formula mass of one hydrogen atom of element upon 1 AMU. So we calculate the mass of one atom of element means 1 AMU into atomic mass of element. Means generally we know atomic mass. For example, carbon atomic number 6 and approximately double its atomic mass means 6 to the 12. Hydrogen 1 and atomic mass 1.1 which is approximately equal to 1. Oxygen atomic number 8 and atomic mass 16 means which is approximately double. We already know atomic mass of element in last standard 9th standard we studied. So formula of mass of one atom of element. We calculate mass of one atom of element means we get formula 1 AMU into atomic mass of element. So value of 1 AMU which is equal to 1 upon Na. Na is Avogadro number. Scientist Avogadro which has fixed value of Na 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So 1 AMU. We calculate mass of one nitrogen atom using formula. So 1 upon Na into 1 upon Na into 40. 1 upon Na which is equal to 1 AMU means 1 atomic mass unit, and 14 atomic mass of nitrogen element. So we calculate the value by using formula 14 upon Na value 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So we get 2.3248 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram. Means we get mass of one nitrogen atom value 2.3248 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram. So next we study mass of one oxygen atom. We find out. So formula given as mass of one atom of element 1 AMU into atomic mass element. So 1 AMU which is equal to 1 upon Na into atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 16 upon Na value which is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So we get answer 2.66 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram. This is the value of mass of one oxygen atom, means using 1 AMU value we already know of atomic mass of oxygen element 16. So on calculating this value we get 2.66 into 10 raised to minus 23 gram of 1 oxygen atom mass. Next, gram atomic mass. In last lecture we studied atomic mass means total number of proton and neutron present in nucleus or mass of 1 mole of substance. So next, gram atomic mass means mass of 1 mole of substance in gram, which is called as gram atomic mass. But gram atomic mass given in molar mass. Last concept we study the mass of only one atom in element. For example, Fe atom in solid state. Fe atom. So one Fe atom. But in this box we get total Fe content in this box. So we calculate the total molar mass of, for example, oxygen atom in last point, atomic mass or mass of only one single atom we have to calculate, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. But in this concept, gram atomic mass in molar mass. Molar mass means whole element or whole substance. Molar mass means whole element or whole substance mass. Molar mass means whole element and whole substance mass. Do not confuse in these two concepts. Means last lecture mass of only one atom, only one single element. But in this box, no, not possible. We have to find out only one atom. So molar mass means whole element or whole substance which is present in this container or box. So we study the molar mass of oxygen atom, for example. So mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom. So mass of 1 mole of oxygen atom in using last formula Na into mass of 1 oxygen atom. So Na means Avogadro number and mass of oxygen atom 16 AMU. So Na means Avogadro number into 16 upon 1 N means 1 AMU, which is equal to 1 upon Na. We studied in last concept. So 1 AMU means 1 upon Na. So Na get cancelled. So we get 16 AMU unit. We get molar mass of oxygen unit 16 AMU. For example, oxygen element. So 16 AMU. 16 AMU means atomic mass unit. So it is replaced by U means unified mass, and molar mass of oxygen atom is 16 gram or 16 AMU, which is equal both values. Means 16 AMU means 16 atomic mass unit and 16 gram means or mass of oxygen atom, which is always equal. So we continue on molecular mass. Molecular mass means it is calculated by adding atomic masses of all atoms in a molecule or compound, which is known as molecular mass. So another definition of molecular mass means algebraic sum of atomic masses of constituent atoms which constitute the molecules. For example, H2O, atomic mass of hydrogen, H2O, atomic mass of hydrogen 1 and atomic mass of oxygen which is equal to 16. So calculate the molecular mass of water molecules. So H2 means 2 into hydrogen atom plus 1 mole of oxygen means 1 into oxygen atom mass. So mass of hydrogen 2 into 1 and 1 atomic mass 1 mole of atom into atomic mass 16. So 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 16 16. So 16 plus 2 18 gram means molar mass or molecular mass of water molecule which is substance to 1/12 mass of one atom of C12. Means according to carbon as standard element. So this is also definition of molecular mass. Molecular mass means is defined as the ratio of mass of one molecule of substance to 1/12 mass of one atom of carbon 12. So it expressed in AMU or gram. AMU means atomic mass unit and grams. So gram molecular mass means a quantity of substance in gram. A quantity of substance in gram which is called as gram molecular mass. Which is called as gram molecular mass. Molecular mass which is also known as molar mass of compound. So what is molar mass? Molar mass which is similar to molecular mass means sum of all atomic masses which is present in molecule or compound. So we use of atomic mass of element. So last time 9 and 10 we learn as atomic number and atomic masses of element. So we study atomic masses of element. Hydrogen atomic mass 1 U means unified mass. AMU means atomic mass unit or also in gram. Helium atomic number 2 which is approximately double means atomic mass of element 4. Carbon 6 atomic mass is double means 12. Oxygen 16. Sodium 11 means atomic mass is double means 11 to the 22. 22.8 means which is approximately equal to 23. Aluminium 27, phosphorus 31, sulfur 32, chlorine 35.5 and calcium 40. Using these atomic masses, we solve the next example of molecular mass or molar mass of given compound. So first we start example, calculate the molecular mass of H2SO4. So using atomic mass of element, hydrogen 1, sulfur 32 and ऑक्सीजन 60. सो ये एटॉमिक मास तुम्हें जरूर रट्टा मारना होगा क्योंकि ये जनरली यूज होता है कैलकुलेट मॉलिक्यूलर मास और मोलर मास कोई भी कंपाउंड फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. सो गिवन डाटा हाइड्रोजन 1, सल्फर 32 एटॉमिक and oxygen 60. So formula 2 moles of hydrogen and atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 mole of sulfur into atomic mass of sulfur plus 4 moles of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen. So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1 plus 1 into atomic mass of sulfur 32 plus 4 into atomic mass of oxygen 60. So 2 into 1 2 plus 32 1s are 32 plus 16 4s are 16 4s are 48. 16 4s are 64. So 32 plus 2 34 plus 64. So adding on this both value 4 plus 4 8 and 6 plus 3 9. So molar or molecular mass of H2SO4 we get 98 gram or 98 U means unified mass or U is replaced by AMU, so 98 AMU. So we get atomic, so we get molecular mass of H2SO4 98 gram or 98 U. So next example, methane formula CH4. So calculate molecular mass or molar mass of methane. So first carbon atomic mass 12 and hydrogen 1. So 1 mole of carbon into atomic mass of carbon plus 4 of hydrogen. So 1 into 12 plus 4 into 1. So 12 ones are 12 and 4 ones are 4. So total 12 plus 4, 16 gram. So molecular mass of methane is 16 gram. Next example, carbon dioxide. So carbon atomic mass 12 and oxygen atomic mass 16. So first 1 mole of carbon and atomic mass of carbon plus 2 moles of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen. So 1 into 12 plus 2 into 16. So 1 12 is 12 plus 16 2 is 32. By adding both values we get answer 44. So 44 gram is the answer of molecular mass of carbon dioxide means CO. Next example, H3PO4 means phosphoric acid. So we use atomic mass of hydrogen 1, phosphorus 31, oxygen 60. Atomic mass of element hydrogen 1, phosphorus 31, oxygen 60. So first formula, 3 moles of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 1 mole of phosphorus into atomic mass of phosphorus plus 4 moles of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen. So using this value, 3 into atomic mass of hydrogen 1 into 31 atomic mass of phosphorus and 4 moles of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen 16. So 3 ones are 3, 31 ones are 31 and 16 fours are 64. By adding this value, so we get 31 plus 3, 34 plus 64. So 4 plus 4 8 and 6 plus 3 9. So molecular mass or molar mass of phosphoric acid 98 and unit gram or U means gram and U means unified mass. This is a molar mass of phosphoric acid H3PO4. So next example, calculate molar mass or molecular mass of sugar. So sugar formula C12H22O11 is the molecular formula of sugar. So we calculate the molar mass or molecular mass of sugar. So atomic mass of carbon 12, hydrogen 1 and oxygen 60. So first formula, 12 moles of carbon into atomic mass of carbon plus 22 moles of hydrogen into atomic mass of hydrogen plus 11 moles of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen. So 12 into 12 plus 22 into 1, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and plus 11 into atomic mass of oxygen 60. So calculating this value, we get answer. We calculate 12 12s are 144, 22 1s are 22 and 11 16s are. So multiplication we get 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, 0, 1 1s are 1 and 1 1s are 1. So adding 176 and final answer of molar mass of sugar is, adding 3 values, 270 gram is the molar mass or molecular mass of sugar. Next example, calculate the molecular mass of glucose. Glucose formula C6H12O6. So atomic mass of element C12H1 and O60. So 6 mole of carbon hydrogen plus 6 moles of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen. So 6 into 12 plus 12 into 1 plus 6 into 60. So calculate molecular mass of glucose. So answer we get 180 gram. 180 gram is the molar mass of glucose. So for homework, you solve the question. Calculate molar mass of potassium permanganate KMnO4, chemical formula. Second, calculate the molar mass of molar or molecular mass of first KMnO4, second NH3, next fructose. Fructose also chemical formula C6H12O6. Next, fourth example, hydrochloric acid. Next, fifth, HNO3 means nitric acid. You solve this question on homework. Next point, formula. What is formula mass? Formula mass means ionic compound. Ionic compound means positive and negative ion are strongly attached with each other, but due to ionic bonding is known as ionic compound. Ionic compounds such as NaCl, KNO3, Na2CO3, etc. do not consist of molecule. NaCl means sodium chloride, KNO3 means potassium nitrate and Na2CO3 means sodium carbonate. यह इसे हम मॉलिक्यूल लेंगे, इसे हम आयोनिक कंपाउंड. It means ionic compound means in 3D structure. Diagrammatic representation of ionic compound. Ionic compound, for example, cation Na plus and anion Cl minus. Between Na plus and Cl minus means between oppositely charged ion, this bond is formed. Means this bond is known as ionic bond, and due to this ionic bonding we get Na plus and Cl minus. We get product NaCl means sodium chloride, and this compound is known as ionic compound. So ionic compound are arranged in 3D structure, means molecule are attached very packed due to ionic bonding. So in such compound, positive and negative entities are arranged in 3D structure like this. So we get use formula instead of molecule. So it is known as formula mass. For example, NaCl. Calculate the formula mass of NaCl. So Na plus Na atomic mass 23 and Cl 35.5. So calculate formula mass of NaCl means 1 mole of Na into atomic mass of Na. Atomic mass of sodium plus 1 mole of chlorine into atomic mass of chlorine. 1 into 23 plus 1 into 35.5. So 23 ones are 23 plus 35.5. So we get answer 58.5 U. Means formula mass of NaCl on adding 23 plus 35 by AMU or AMU is replaced by gram. So formula mass of sodium chloride is 58.5 U, means unified mass. Now we calculate the formula mass of CuNO3 twice. So copper atomic mass 63.5, nitrogen atomic mass 14, oxygen 60. So using formula we get formula mass of copper nitrate. So first copper, 1 moles of copper into atomic mass of copper plus nitrogen, 1 atom and in bracket 2. So 2 ones are 2 moles of nitrogen and atomic mass of nitrogen plus O3 molecule inside the bracket but outside bracket 2. So 3 2s are 6. So total moles of oxygen is 6. 6 moles of oxygen into atomic mass of oxygen. So 1 into atomic mass of copper 63.5 plus 2 into atomic mass of nitrogen 14 plus 6 into atomic mass of oxygen 60. So calculating we get answer 187.5 U means unified. This is a formula mass of CuNO3 twice. So next point, number of gram in molecule. So formula mass of substance in gram upon molecular mass. We study how to calculate the molecular mass of substance. So first example, calculate mass of 2.5 gram atom of oxygen in bracket O2. So O2 is a molecule. So using this formula means number of gram atoms is equal to given mass upon molecular mass of O2. So given mass calculate. So given mass upon molecular mass of O2 means 2 moles into 16. So given mass upon 2 into 16 32 and number of gram atom which is given value 2.5 gram. So we calculate the given mass of oxygen means mass of oxygen which is equal to 2.5 into 32. So multiplying this both value we get answer 80 gram. So mass of oxygen is 80 gram. Second example, calculate gram atom in 2.3 gram of sodium. So formula number of gram atom which is equal to mass of substance upon molecular mass of substance. So mass of substance 2.3 gram which is given in this question and molecular mass of sodium is 23 gram. So unit cancel with each other. So answer of grams atoms of sodium 2.3 means removing decimal point. So 23 upon into 10. So 23 upon 230. 23 into 10 230. So 23 ones are 23 and 23 ones are 23 0. So answer is 1 upon 10 means 0.1 gram. So number of gram of atom means number of gram sodium atom is 0.1 gram. Thank you.